The legendary Nissan GT-R R35 may have reached the end of its production line, but its story is far from over. The final example recently rolled off the assembly line in Tochigi, Japan, wearing the iconic midnight purple finish in Premium Edition T-Spec form. For fans, it marked the end of an era. But for tuners like Liberty Walk, it was the beginning of a new chapter, one where Godzilla grows even more muscles. Liberty Walk, the Japanese tuning house, famous for its aggressive wide-body kits, has once again worked its magic on the GT-R. This example, finished in a striking silver hue with a contrasting black roof and decals, looks like it rolled straight out of a video game. Wide fender flares dominate both the front and rear, giving the supercar an intimidating stance. At the nose, a redesigned front bumper features large side intakes, a central grille, a chin spoiler, and aerodynamic canards for maximum presence. Along the sides, new skirt attachments enhance the car's profile, while the rear is an outright spectacle. A massive wing sits proudly on the trunk lid, paired with a sporty rear diffuser that houses aftermarket exhaust tips that scream pure aggression. The car sits impossibly low to the ground thanks to an adjustable air suspension, which allows the driver to raise or lower the ride height with the push of a button. Completing the look are black wheels wrapped in Advan tires with white branding, perfectly complementing the blacked-out elements across the body. Together, these details transform the GT-R from a legendary supercar into a track-ready monster with unmatched street presence. But here's where things get interesting. Liberty Walk doesn't usually mess with the engine. That means under the hood is still the twin-turbocharged V6, capable of delivering up to 592 horsepower in its Nismo form. While no official performance upgrades were mentioned, it's entirely possible another tuner has unlocked even more power from this beast. Whether stock or enhanced, this Godzilla is already one of the most capable performance machines on the planet. With production now officially over, each R35 Nissan GT-R becomes more valuable and iconic. And with Liberty Walk's extreme makeover, this version proves that even legends can evolve into something bolder, louder, and more unforgettable.